your ass out here right now.
Get away from him with the club.
You're supposed to wear camouflage, right? You guys told. Nice, dude. Heck yeah.
Jack.
What?
Where are you, man?
I'm camouflaged. What is going on, fellow members of the Joog Squad? You can probably tell we're out here in ghillie suits, repping hard with the camouflage. I got my camouflage on. Austin Augie's got his camouflage on.
I'm camoed out.
Yeah, as you guys know, it always gets gnarly. So if you want to like this video, if it gets 69,000 thumbs up, we'll do another ghillie suit golf course air horn. I like that number.
Yeah. My favorites.
For the boys.
For the boys.
We all have our camouflage shoes on. We have 2 air horns. We're at a golf course that we've never been to before, so nobody can tell us that they said that we weren't supposed to be here. God, I'm like not even a real person in this thing.
This has always been a lifelong dream of mine too, after seeing Jackass #2.
Shout out to Jackass, everybody, all the boys, inspiring the dream. Boom. Also, comment down below, let us know what you want to see us do in ghillie suits next. Ding dong ditch, air horn, pranks, whatever. Send it. Dude, what a bunch of legends. Dude, nobody's gonna see us.
Not at all.
The camouflage shoes is really
Sets them off.
Sets the bar
The
high.
ghillie suit was like a good part of it, but then the shoes and the shirt really just set it off.
Yeah, nobody's ever gonna see us. All right, let's do it. We got a golf course maintenance. Get to the trees. Alright, everybody just find somewhere you can see the keys. Just took off. Where's Salty going? The cart path is right there, and I am right here.
Go back home.
We gotta strategize better. Jesus. Dude, no. Bad call.
Bad call, Salty.
Right down the street, yeah. The boy. Oh, he's got the camera too. Alright, so those last guys were total chodes, so we had to move our location.
We're gonna get him again.
I think it's even better though. We have like this little trench in the middle of 2 giant hedges. Yep, now we're in the perfect spot and we just gotta wait. We're just waiting on the next people to come up. So I'm like laid kicked back in a bush with my people. What? No, I'm just vlogging. Oh my God. Oh my. I bet we helped his stroke, if anything. The dude cracks open a beer and drives away. Yes. What the heck? How's a gopher? See, good sports. Good sports. They thought it was hilarious.
That was funny as hell.
Those guys are tight.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh my god. Let's play Find the Augie. Oh, we're dicks. This guy's a legend though. Oh my god. So early. Amateurs. Oh my god, we need to get the hell out of here right now. Oh, we need to leave. Come on, cut to the tree.
Wait. Chill out. I want to get that guy when he tees off again.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
You're gonna hop on the go.
Oh shit, he is coming over here.
Yeah, go. Chill.
Where is he? Oh yeah, he totally is. Oh shit! Hey, honk the horn at him. Oh shit.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not gonna let that old guy hit me in the face.
Is he chasing Salty? Where's the cop?
Come here, son of a bitch. Get your ass out here right now.
We're done, dude.
Get your ass out
Is
here.
the cop there?
Cop's right there. We'll go talk to the cop.
No. I'm gonna kick your ass over there.
No, you're not.
Really?
Let me have my camera.
I'll hold it.
We're coming. Officer, we're coming. Officer, we're coming. Don't let this guy whip my ass.
God damn it.
We're coming.
Fucking. Oh.
We're going, man. We were doing air horns.
We pranked our friend first, and then we did it to somebody else, and he got upset.
Alright, well, you're not gonna let that guy hit him.
Hey!
Tell
Get
that guy
away
to chill.
from him with the club!
That's crazy.
Sorry, man. We were doing it to our friend first, and that guy just got pissed.
Yeah, we're lucky he didn't get shot.
Sorry, man. Sorry about that.
Around like that?
No, we're gonna.
Get up here on the sidewalk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no worries. You still rolling?
Film this. Always.
Sorry about that, man. We've been no harm.
Sit down.
All right, I'm gonna take this off. It's
I
hot.
don't give a shit. Sit down.
All right, yes, sir. Man, what are y'all doing?
We're just trying to make people laugh. That's all.
It's our job.
We weren't trying.
Ghillie outfits?
Well,
Yeah, it's
you can't really.
camouflage.
We're just hanging out, man. We didn't do no like damage, nothing. We were just literally sitting on the outside of the course, and these two guys with the drive. We blew the blue horn, and then they got pissed off. We weren't even like on the course. You saw we had to run away because the guy was like running after us.
We're not trying to waste your guys' time. We apologize.
Yeah, well, when somebody comes running out in the middle of the road with a golf club, and then I see him hiding behind a tree.
Yeah. So sorry, man. For real. I mean, like I said,
You wouldn't catch me even if you tried.
Well, I don't think he would have caught you, but
I can see it from your eyes.
We apologize. We're just, you know.
We were trying to say we were sorry to him, but he just got really
was so
upset.
mad.
Yeah.
Take it to the next. You got ID on you?
I got nothing.
I have mine.
All three you're out.
I have mine.
You gotta be BS.
I
You're out,
swear.
you're out
No,
in
they're not
Ghillie
on me.
suits.
It's not
You don't
on
have
me.
any identification
I
on
have
you at
mine,
all,
sir. Well,
and you're
we're-
out running around in Ghillie suits.
Well, I have
Well,
my.
everybody knows who we are around here too.
none of you.
I don't
live
know
here.
who
How do
you
they know
are,
who
and I'm
you
the only
are?
one that matters
You've
right
never
now.
seen our YouTube videos? Joogsquad, like the beer mug pranks on
Well, I got
Beach
better
and
things to
stuff?
do.
Hey, I'm just asking.
Yeah,
That's right, we all do,
there's
right?
a channel with like millions of views, and that's what this was about. It wasn't like no harm.
We definitely weren't trying to waste your guys' time. That's the last thing that we ever want to do.
You guys don't have the ID on you?
I really don't. I haven't had my passport, so it's like I
You
don't
have a
carry it
passport
around.
on you right now?
No, I don't carry it around because I can't lose
You
it.
don't have a driving license. Why
No,
not?
I don't have a license at all. Actually,
Suspended?
no, it's not suspended.
How old are you?
24.
And you don't drive?
He lives in New York
I live in New
City
York
too.
City.
Yeah.
How about you?
I do drive.
You don't have a driving license on you now?
I didn't drive, no sir.
I mean, you don't carry ID on you?
Not particularly.
How'd you guys get here?
Drove
We drove here.
Who drove? Where's your car?
over there.
Which car is yours?
The Xterra.
Is your license in the car?
He has my
Guy
license.
carrying a golf club though, chasing us. Isn't that like assault?
We weren't even on the
He didn't
course.
touch us though, so 165. I'm not exactly sure.
Blonde, eyes blue?
Yep. I think all the information's up to date.
Are you working or going to school?
I'm working.
Okay, where's that at?
YouTube, Google.
We had a lot of people laugh about it, but that guy was not stoked.
We figured nobody was gonna find us too, because we just got these brand new shirts in, camouflage, you know, to blend in. Got
Talking
the
about
shoes.
those or the camel shirt?
No, the camel.
I told you I'm getting old. It took me a second.
You got it.
I get old, bro. I'm getting
No
old.
worries, man. No worries.
Um,
These kids almost found us earlier. We were hiding out. These kids over here found us.
Man.
You guys almost blew our cover.
We gotta hear
Austin,
it.
buddy, how tall are you?
6 foot. Got a little dice.
You guys.
Yes, sir.
Anybody want to tell me if you got warrants on you or not?
Oh, no warrants. No, nothing like that.
You think we'll be out here doing this?
No warrants. Like I said, I got expunged.
Give me a minute.
No
We
worries.
might be crazy, but we're not.
I might have an unpaid speeding ticket.
Second.
No worries.
Sir. The boys.
Oh, dude.
The
2 for 2, man. Oh, dude, that was some funny shit.
You know, I was like, let's get out of here now. And you're like, wait, I want to get him one more time. I'm like, that one more is always the line. Like, it's like,
That's all I want. I wanted to get the guy in the bays
it's
while
either
he
we
was
get
teeing
in the
off.
car and then they roll up, or they roll up before we get in the car. How many interactions are next to my name when you look me up?
Jackson, you got a warrant.
I have a warrant? Are you serious? For what?
Oh, you mother.
I was like,
Oh, you
yeah,
motherfucker!
I was about to just be like,
I was
well,
gonna say a goat filed a complaint.
damn. Oh, I just got.
That was funny. I really.
Guys, I mean, believe me, I'm not that old. This is pretty funny to me. I'm not a golfer anyway, so so I don't see the golfer side, so to speak. But you guys got to.
We're done.
We're
We're done. We promise.
We're out of here.
You got any questions? All right, guys.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much,
man.
sir. Have a great day. For the boys.
For the boys.
Let's get out
All
of here,
the
guys.
way.
Oh, we gotta get brewskis.
Oh, baby, look at that. Camouflage. If you'd like to purchase camouflage.
We were hiding in the ghillie suits, and these dudes back here, they
got us the extra angle.
well, they got the extra angles on their phone, but they also almost blew our cover when we were in the bush, and they walked right by us. And I just hear these footsteps, and he goes, "Are they in there?" Jack's pissed.
Well, no, this guy got us the clip. That's
You got the clip? That's
He's the one
yours.
that filmed it,
There you
and
go,
then
my
you won
man.
Rock, paper, scissors.
And you won rock, paper,
You're
scissors.
the only person on earth that now owns a pair of camouflage shoes besides the immediate.
Really? I thought these were for sale.
No, not yet.
Oh, dude, I'm an asshole.
They go up April 1st.
All right, let me just. I just gave these shoes away. They weren't supposed to give away, but they go up April 1st. If you want to pick them up, I'm sorry, Jack.
No, you're good.